Hi guys! For today's episode of Foodie Pinoy, we're going to cook an easy lunch or dinner idea, Sinampalukang Manok or chicken tamarind soup. We will need 1 medium-sized onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 2 tomatoes, 500 grams chicken, tamarind mix, 1 bunch kangkong, pepper, and fish sauce. Put some oil in the pan. We're going to saute the onion, garlic, and ginger. Saute in medium heat. Add the chicken. Cover and let it sizzle until it releases its juices and flavor. Add tomatoes and fish sauce. Add around 1.5 cup of water and bring to boil and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. The liquid had been reduced, so I will add another cup of water. We're still going to add the kangkong later. Add the tamarind mix and pepper. Give it a quick stir to dissolve the tamarind powder. Adjust the saltiness and add some more fish sauce if necessary. Lastly, add the kangkong and simmer for another 2 minutes until these leafy vegetables are cooked. Here's our Sinampalukang Manok recipe. This sour and hearty dish is a quick lunch or dinner idea that you can prepare for your family. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!